Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Green Acres in Folsom, and today we're going to be talking about watering lawns, how you could potentially do that more efficiently and save some money. So let's get into it. So a lot of our customers come in and they just discovered their sprinkler system. If you go digging, you'll probably find something like this in the ground. It may have already been installed when you bought the house or first moved in. If you take a closer look, you'll find there's pipes coming up supplying water to a sprinkler body, and on the top here there is the portion that comes out and sprays the water out onto the grass itself, onto the soil. We sell them as a blank cartridge, and you can actually put any kind of spray pattern you like in there. We have here the MP rotator, one that saves a lot of money, a lot of water, and waters much more efficiently than the traditional heads. It simply goes in, screws on, and it's ready to go. You just install it right into your existing system and you'll be saving water. Let's talk about some of the benefits of the MP rotators and why you might want to switch your current system over to them. These actually have a different spray pattern that maybe you're used to seeing. These pop up and shoot little streams of water, so they don't look like the traditional sprinklers that you typically see. The benefit of that is that they actually water with less water, but with heavier drops, they can penetrate the soil better, and using a proper timing technique, you can get a deeper watering using far less water. Here we have the MP rotator MP3000. This one is actually an adjustable model. You can change it from 90 to 210 degrees and choose how you want to water within that range. You're actually able to adjust how far it's going to throw and what angle it's going to do within that 90 to 210 degree range. If you're looking for something more specific, there are Rainbird models, and these U-series actually spray down and out, so you don't miss any of that coverage right next to the sprinkler body. So you can find the right one that fits your needs and water more efficiently. With traditional sprinklers, you may have noticed the sidewalks being covered in water, and that's because they put out way too much water way too quickly, and it's simply not efficient. With proper timing, using one of these timers here, you can actually do a cycle and soak and let that water penetrate the soil. Here we have an Orbit 6-station indoor timer. So this one you do have to place indoors in your garage. There are models that can be placed outdoors, but all of them allow you to decide how long you want to water, how many times a day, and where you want to water, because you can water 6 different places using a timer like this. Using the MP rotator in conjunction with a timer will allow you to practice the cycle and soak method. What is the cycle and soak method? Well, to do that, we're going to water our lawn and monitor it closely. Water until you see the point of runoff occur. Let's say that takes 30 minutes. What we're going to do is cut that time in half and allow the other 15 minutes for soaking. So one full cycle is going to be 15 minutes of watering and 15 minutes of soaking. And we're actually able to repeat that cycle as needed without ever having runoff. And in doing so, we're going to save water and save money. We have all of these products and more at all of our Green Acres, so why don't you come on down and talk to one of us. We can help you retrofit, fix, or even make a system from scratch. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.